Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily English. I'm Zoe.
And I'm Leo. So, Zoe, I have to tell you something embarrassing that happened to me last week.
Oh no, what happened?
I went to the grocery store and I spent 20 minutes trying to find the bread aisle. I was too nervous to ask anyone for help because I didn't know what to say.
Leo, that's exactly why we're doing today's episode.
I know, right? So many people feel the same way.
If you've ever felt lost, confused, or embarrassed at the grocery store because of the language barrier, this episode will change everything for you.
Today, we're teaching you 10 essential English phrases that will make grocery shopping so much easier.
And by the end of this episode, you'll feel confident walking into any supermarket in America. Let's go. All right, Zoe. Let's start with the most important question. How do you ask where something is?
Great question. Here are 3 super useful phrases. Number 1, where can I find the bread? Listen again. Where can I find the bread?
That's perfect. You can use this for anything. Where can I find the milk? Where can I find the eggs?
Exactly. Now, here's another way to ask the same thing. Excuse me, do you have almond milk?
Oh, I like this one. Excuse me, do you have almond milk?
Yes. Notice Leo said, excuse me, first. That's very polite and gets the employee's attention nicely.
And one more way to ask, which aisle is the in?
Which aisle is the cereal in? An aisle, A-Y-S-L-E, is the long row between the shelves.
So if someone says aisle 5, that means row 5. Easy.
Let me give you a real conversation example. Listen.
Excuse me, where can I find the pasta?
It's in aisle 8 on the left side.
Thank you so much.
Simple, right?
Now, here's a pro tip. If you don't understand their answer, it's totally okay to say, "Could you show me?" Or, "I'm sorry, I don't understand. Could you repeat that?"
Americans are usually very helpful, especially if they can tell you're still learning English. Don't be afraid to ask.
Okay, next situation, the deli counter. This is where you get fresh cheese, meat, and prepared foods.
This one made me nervous at first because someone is waiting for you to order.
I get it, but here are 2 phrases that make it super easy. Phrase number 4 is, "Can I get, please?"
Can I get half a pound of turkey, please?
Perfect. In America, we measure deli items in pounds and ounces. Half a pound is about 8 ounces, which is enough for maybe 4 to 5 sandwiches.
What if you want it sliced thin or thick?
Great question. You can add, "Can I get half a pound of turkey, sliced thin, please?"
Or sliced thick? Easy.
Phrase number 5 is, "Can I have a sample?" This is one of my favorites. "Can I have a sample?" means you want to try a small piece before buying.
Really? You can just ask for free samples?
Yes, especially at the deli counter or cheese section. It's completely normal and free.
Okay, let me practice. Can I have a sample of this cheese?
Perfect. They'll give you a small piece to taste. If you like it, buy it. If not, just say, "Thank you, I'll think about it."
No pressure. I love that.
Now, what if you need information about a product? Maybe you want to know if something is organic, gluten-free, or fresh.
Yes. Or if something is on sale.
This is so versatile. Is this organic? Is this fresh? Is this on sale?
Let me try. Is this gluten-free?
Excellent! Gluten-free means no wheat. That's important if you have allergies or dietary restrictions. What if you want to know the price but don't see a tag?
How much is this?
Simple and direct. How much is this? Point to the item and ask.
And they might say, $3.99 per pound, or it's on sale for $5.
Exactly. Here's another useful one if you're looking for something specific. Do you carry...
Do you carry oat milk? This means, do you sell oat milk in this store?
Right. If they say no, you can ask, do you know where I can find it?
And they might recommend another store. People are usually really helpful.
All right, final section, the checkout line. This is where you pay.
The cashier will usually greet you and ask a few questions. Let's prepare you for that.
The cashier might say, did you find everything okay?
Just say, yes, thank you. Even if you didn't find everything, this is just friendly small talk.
Then they might ask, do you have a rewards card?
Many stores have loyalty programs where you get discounts or points. If you have one, say, yes, here you go.
If you don't have one, just say, no, I don't, or not yet.
They might ask if you want to sign up. You can say, yes, please, or no, thank you. Both are fine.
Now, the final question they'll ask, paper or plastic?
This means, do you want paper bags or plastic bags for your groceries?
You can say, plastic, please, or paper, please.
Or, if you brought your own reusable bags, which is great for the environment, say, I have my own bags, thank you.
Perfect. And when you're done, always say, thank you, have a great day.
It's polite and leaves a good impression.
Okay, before we wrap up, Leo and I want to give you 3 bonus tips for grocery shopping in America. Bonus tip number 1. If you can't pronounce a word, it's okay to show a picture on your phone or point to it.
Absolutely. Communication is the goal, not perfect pronunciation. Bonus tip number 2. Most stores have apps now where you can search for items and it tells you which aisle they're in.
Yes, download your store's app. Kroger, Safeway, Walmart, Target, they all have this feature.
And bonus tip number 3, don't be afraid to say, I'm still learning English. Most people will slow down and speak more clearly to help you.
Americans really appreciate when someone is trying to learn. You'll get a lot of support. Wow. Zoe, we covered so much today.
We did! You now have 10 powerful phrases that will make grocery shopping so much easier.
Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. Every time you practice, you get better.
So here's your homework. This week, go to a grocery store and use at least 3 of these phrases.
Even if you don't need to ask, practice anyway. It builds your confidence.
And if you found this episode helpful, please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode.
Tomorrow, we're teaching you how to order food in English without embarrassment. You don't want to miss it.
Drop a comment below and tell us which phrase will you use first. We read every single comment.
Thanks for learning with us today.
We believe in you. You've got this.